This is the lowercase c. The letter C makes the k sound, like in the word cat. The letter C. See you later. Drag the letter C to the rabbit. Good work! You dragged the letter C to the rabbit. Drag the letter M to the rabbit. Oops! That's not the letter M. Drag the letter M to the rabbit. Good work! You dragged the letter M to the rabbit. Put the hat with the letter C on the hippo. Good job! Put the ball with the letter T with the bat. Good thinking! Give the ball with the letter C to the seal. Good work! Help the bee with the letter M fly to the hive. Great! Trace the lowercase letter C. Great! You traced the letter C. Hi there. This is the uppercase letter C. The letter C makes the k sound, like in the word cat. Give the letter C to Olive.